Welcome to this clear and step-by-step guide on how to automatically resize images in WordPress when uploading them to your site. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you have reached the site's homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Clicking on this option will initiate the login process and allow you to enter your account details. After clicking on login, the next instruction is to select the option that lets you continue with your Google account. This choice streamlines the login process by allowing you to use your existing Google credentials. When you click on the Continue with Google button, a new prompt will appear where you can choose the specific Google account you wish to use. Selecting your account will complete the authentication, and soon you will be logged into WordPress. Once you have successfully logged in, the journey continues as you navigate to your website's settings. Look for the Settings option, which is usually accessible from your account homepage or dashboard. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a dedicated area where you can manage various aspects of your site. This part of the tutorial directs you to focus on configuring media settings, which play an important role in handling your images. Within your WordPress settings, locate the section labeled Media. This section is dedicated to settings that control how your website handles different media files, including images. Clicking on the media option allows you to view several configurable settings related to image uploads. It is important at this stage to know that managing these settings effectively can help optimize your website's performance by ensuring images are displayed in the best possible sizes. Continuing further into the media settings, you will find a specific section where image sizes are configured. Selecting the image sizes option permits you the flexibility to adjust the dimensions for various image types. You have the capacity to customize the size for thumbnail images, medium-sized images and large images in this area. It is here that you determine the proportions at which your images will be automatically resized when uploaded to your website. This level of customization empowers you to maintain consistency and improve the overall aesthetic of your website without additional manual adjustments after each upload. After you have made your adjustments, whether you are setting new dimensions for thumbnails, tweaking medium images, or resizing large images, your next essential task is to ensure that these changes are saved. At the bottom of the image sizes settings page, there will be a clear Save Changes option. Clicking on this button will permanently apply your new settings, so that every future image you upload will automatically conform to the dimensions you have specified. This entire process has been designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to quickly enable automated resizing of your images without the need for complex code modifications or additional plugins. Taking a few moments to verify your settings after saving will ensure that your website now consistently displays optimized images, contributing to faster load times and a more polished visual presentation. By following these clear instructions, you have now configured WordPress to automatically resize images upon upload. This not only saves you time but also contributes to a better managed, more responsive website. Enjoy the benefits of an optimized site, knowing that the images on your WordPress site are set to display perfectly according to your chosen dimensions.